Good morning, I'm Dr. Anusha. I'm a consultant dermatologist at Skin Essence, Bangalore. Summer is a beautiful time with a lot of vacations, outings and leisure period. What summer is also known for is its skin problems. The harsh weather and the sun, it makes our skin dehydrated. There is a lot of sweating, there is prickly heat, there are development of infections and most importantly tanning and sunburns. In this video we are going to discuss on how to tackle these skin issues and also how to prevent them. The first step I'm going to give you guys today is to take bath regularly, at least twice daily during summers. Take bath with lukewarm water and after bath use a dusting powder, the cotrimazole dusting powder. You use this in all the skin folds like in the underarm area, below your breasts, groin and in between the thigh. This will help keep sweating in a very minimal quantity and hence there will be no growth of fungus or the yeast or bacteria in these areas and hence the infections occurring in these areas are prevented. The next tip is to wear loose cotton clothes, preferably of lighter colors, because the dark colors is what absorbs maximum heat. To prevent prickly heat, what we can do is to use a good prickly heat powder on our chest and on the back. If you have already developed prickly heat, then what you can do very simply is to dip cotton clothes in, you just dip a cotton handkerchief or any small piece of cloth in cold water and dab it all over the area where you've developed the rash. Or what else you can do is simply take the ice and rub it on those areas. Or you can use a calamine lotion which is kept in a refrigerator and apply this cold calamine over the rash. This will help soothe all your skin. The next tip is for people who have oily skin or the acne prone skin. See, summertime is the time when you are supposed to take care a little more than the other time, especially the oily skin people. What happens is because of the dirt, heat, there's a lot of sweating and hence there is a lot of clogging of the pores on our face and on our body also. This will lead to breakouts, especially on the face, in the chest area and in the back area. What you can do is you can wash your face regularly in morning and in the night using a salicylic acid based face wash. Follow this up by a lightweight moisturizer, preferably the ones which says non-comedogenic or oil free. If at all you develop 1 or 2 acne, you can go and use over-the-counter products like benzyl peroxide on these pimples. If even after doing all this you're getting a lot of breakout, then this is the time that you go consult your dermatologist and get treated accordingly. The hot and humid weather of summer can leave your skin dry and dehydrated. The main culprit is excessive use of air conditioners. The best thing you can do to prevent this dry and dehydrated skin is to use moisturizer within 5 minutes of taking bath. Once you take bath, just dab the skin dry and apply moisturizer on the skin which is still a little damp. This will help in better absorption of these moisturizers. The next thing we are going to discuss is one of the most common and one of the most important issue of skin faced during summers, that is tanning and sunburn. The best and the most important thing that you should do is to use a sunscreen very strictly. A sunscreen of SPF 30 is more than enough for our Indian skin, but if you're somebody who tends to tan very easily or who tends to develop these dark patches on your face or on the exposed body parts very easily, then you can go for SPF 50. How to use this sunscreen is take a generous amount of sunscreen and apply it half an hour before you step out of the house, and then you are strictly supposed to reapply sunscreen every 2 to 3 hours. The sunscreen is not just advice for somebody who's stepping out of the house. The sunscreen is equally important to be applied for a person staying indoors also. The next thing which you can do to prevent tanning and sunburn is you can use umbrellas when you go out, or use a broad brimmed hat. To prevent the skin around your eyes, you can use broad shades which are preferably a little darker. Particularly if you're going on a holiday at the beach, or if you're going for long trekking, then you have to make sure that you cover all the exposed body surface areas with good amount of sunscreen. If you think applying sunscreen all over the body every 2 to 3 hours is going to be a tedious process, then you can consult your dermatologist and get an oral sunscreen prescription for yourself. Lastly, I would like to advise you all to keep yourself well hydrated. Drink a lot of water. You can also drink coconut milk and buttermilk. Also consume a lot of seasonal fruits like watermelon and other melons, and you can also consume a lot of cucumber. How will these help is they'll give you hydration, as well as they'll have antioxidants which will help in preventing the fine lines that can occur because of excessive sun exposure. I would also advise you to kind of avoid oily fried food items, spicy food, and also keep coffee and tea consumption at as minimum as possible. With these skincare tips, you can happily enjoy this beautiful summer weather outside without having any worries about all your skin issues. For more tips on skin, hair and nail issues, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon for regular updates. Thank you.